Buckle up, because what I'm about to share will have shockwaves resonating throughout America, particularly for people 62 and older. Congress just made a groundbreaking announcement that can potentially transform the lives of millions. And if you are one of those receiving Social Security, SSI or SSDI benefits, this is something you simply cannot afford to overlook. We're discussing a whopping $5,000 monthly investment that will start in only 3 days. That's right, but don't think this is another promise with no substance behind it. Let me explain to you why this time is unique, why this is legitimate, and why you need to act now. The clock is ticking, and you won't want to miss one detail. If you or someone you care about rely on Social Security benefits, press that subscribe button now and activate all notifications, because I am going to keep you posted every step of the way. And if you're ready to learn exactly how this will affect you, leave a yes in the comments below, because this is the largest Social Security change ever. For years, we've seen Social Security benefits fail to keep up with the growing cost of living. Food, healthcare, rent, and utilities have exploded, while increases in benefits hardly scratched your pocket. Every year, seniors and disabled Americans have been required to make devastating decisions. Do I cover my medication or eat dinner? Do I leave the lights on, or do I purchase the bare necessities I need to live? But Congress has finally acted forcefully. This is not another insignificant tweak or another short-term relief bill. This is a whole new Social Security system meant to bring long-term stability, financial security, and dignity to millions of Americans. The government has admitted that small cost of living adjustments aren't sufficient and that a complete overhaul was needed. And now, after months of preparation, the results are out and the figures are astronomical. A $5,000 monthly payment is going to be sent to deserving recipients, an entirely new economic landscape for disabled Americans and seniors. Imagine waking up to an additional $5,000 in your bank account each and every month. That's not a stimulus check one time. This is not a short-term shot in the arm. We are talking about a long-term boost that could redefine your standard of living. No more worrying about how to pay your bills, no more struggling to keep up with rising costs, and no more sleepless nights wondering how you'll make it through the next month. This new program is about restoring dignity and financial security to those who have worked hard their entire lives. For years, Congress has argued over solutions, but this time, they have acted in a way we have never seen before, and the timing couldn't be more urgent. With inflation levels at record levels and the price of basic commodities still on the rise, this new benefit hike couldn't have come at a better time. What is so unique about this program? In contrast to conventional cost of living increases that merely throw a handful of additional dollars every month, this is an overhaul of the entire benefit system. The $5,000 monthly investment is intended to make it so that no disabled or senior American need ever worry about living in poverty or being financially strained again. And here's where it gets even more interesting. The reach of this program is incredibly broad. If you're 62 or older and already taking Social Security SSI or SSDI benefits, you're probably already in the queue for this bump. But few people know that this program has implications beyond mere direct beneficiaries. Family members, dependents, and even some caregivers may qualify for extra help under this new system. That translates into more families, more households, and more communities enjoying this unprecedented transformation. Now, let's discuss the implementation timeline, because that's where it gets very interesting. You're probably asking yourself, how is this possible in 3 days? Well, here's the thing you should know. The Social Security Administration has been preparing behind the scenes for months to make this possible. Their system of distribution has been redesigned totally to deal with these increased payments effectively. They've put in new technology, made their process more efficient, and trained employees so that these additional benefits go out without trouble or delay. This isn't simply a matter of mailing out larger checks. It's about making a better, more responsive, and more effective social security system for the future. The effect of this shift is more than mere monetary assistance. It's about changing lives. An additional $5,000 a month isn't simply a figure. It's between surviving and living. Consider this. No more having to decide between paying for your medications and groceries. No more putting off necessary repairs on your home. No more putting your quality of life on the back burner just to exist. And consider this even more important fact. The $5,000 monthly payment isn't set in stone. This plan comes with automatic protections against inflation, so these benefits will continually be updated to keep pace with the cost of living. This proactive measure will guarantee that seniors and disabled Americans will never again have to see their buying power dissolve. But how is this program financed? That's the question on everyone's lips. Congress has designed the funding mechanism to be long-term sustainable. They've adopted a multi-pronged approach that involves reformed investment policies, streamlined administrative procedures, and realigned revenue allocations to ensure that this program is not a short-term solution but a permanent addition to the Social Security system. This is designed to endure, evolve, and serve generations to come. And here's even better news. Most individuals worry that if they take these expanded benefits, it will hurt their eligibility for other programs of assistance. But here's the truth. This program has been crafted to augment, not supplant, current benefits. In fact, in most instances, it may even boost your eligibility for further assistance. The process of applying has also been made easier to ensure that the eligible recipients face minimum difficulty. Most will be enrolled automatically, and others will have to go through minimal steps of confirming their details. The Social Security Administration has created a new and easy verification system to ensure that all who are eligible receive benefits easily and in a timely fashion. And while the program officially begins in only 3 days, the rollout will be staggered according to a well-considered plan so that payments can be made smoothly and efficiently. The Social Security Administration is giving priority to those who are most in need while making sure that all who are eligible receive their higher benefits as soon as possible. The rollout is being managed with a degree of precision and effectiveness that guarantees an effortless transition into this new age of Social Security assistance. But that's not all. This program doesn't just stop at monthly deposits. It also includes significant improvements to supplementary benefits. We're talking about enhanced Medicare coverage, improved prescription drug benefits, and new support services that go far beyond just sending out money. This wide-ranging approach meets not only fiscal security but healthcare and overall welfare as well, so that every disabled and elderly American will be able to gain access to what they need to live well and with dignity. The process of verification has been specifically set up to deter fraud without making it difficult for bona fide recipients to claim their benefits. New security protocols have been implemented to safeguard recipients without presenting unnecessary bureaucratic barriers, finding an important balance between security and accessibility. Taxes are also a big issue, and Congress has moved to reduce the tax burden on recipients, especially those in low and middle-income households. The intention is to keep as much of their added benefits as possible in their pockets, with the maximum benefit being on their financial status. This is all about returning real money into the pockets of those who most need it. If this information is helpful to you, take a second to give us a like and share this video with family and friends who will need to know about these drastic changes. Your support enables us to reach more individuals who will benefit from this landmark program. The long-term effects of this program extend beyond economic relief. It's a message about our values as a people, a commitment to not leaving behind seniors and disabled Americans. The impact of this increase will spill over into local economies, building up communities and creating a more secure and dignified future for everyone. This is not simply a benefit boost. It's about establishing the groundwork for a financial safety net that will be there for future generations to depend on. The modernization of the Social Security system ensures that this program isn't simply for current recipients, but for future generations too. And there you have it, a full analysis of the historic $5,000 per month Social Security payments that go into effect in 3 short days. This is a changer, and it's important to stay in the know. If you were helped by this information, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get updates. We will ride out these historic changes together and make sure everyone does not miss out on what they are owed.